Hello, welcome to our YouTube channel, CB and Ham Radio Depot. Today, actually it was the first time I've ever played with the DMU 2000, which is what we're going to kind of give a once over for today. Kind of been a little learning experience for myself even. I've got it hooked to an FT-950. These units will work well with an FT-950 or an FT-2000. So anyway, the things you have to have for this is basically an FT-950 or an FT-2000 and a monitor. Once you have those two components, you can pretty much use it. If you're going to change a lot of data in it, you do need a keyboard. You need a PS2 keyboard, which a lot of us have those laying around, or if not, they can be purchased. So anyway, to give you a little brief what it does, it's got several screens. It has several features. If you go to, right now we have got it on the AF scope screen. You can see it has a waterfall and it shows the bandwidth of the frequency that the radio is on. It also has the audio oscilloscope to the right. You also can use the RF scope for your transmit. This will show you how wide you are and different things, as we all know. It has a map. Right now there's nothing put in the map as far as locations, but you can add any location that you wish. The world time right now, it's showing Tokyo. But you can put numerous locations in the screen and to get the times, if that's something that you need to do. This is the logbook. It has a built-in logbook. So once again, if you want to use the logbook, you have to have a keyboard. And this is pretty handy. So you just push a button on the radio and you're right there to the logbook, which is kind of nice. This is kind of the vital statistics of the radio that it's hooked to. This is actually they call it the SWR screen, but it also shows your voltage in, as you can see up here, 13.8 volts, bias, temperature of the processor, and it shows you the range of SWRs. It will also, after many transmissions, it will show a line graph on here of where your SWRs has been running, so you can kind of keep track of that if you want to. This is the rotor control, so you can do all sorts of things with this. If you want to keep track of where your rotors needs to be pointed, gives you your latitude, longitude. It shows Tokyo. Right now at this time it's showing Tokyo. The direction of the rotor's pointing north. It also tells you how fast you're turning the rotor, which right now it's set for 50%. Kind of neat, kind of nice. Let's see what else we got here. This is your memories in your radio. Right now there's no memories in there. I don't remember for sure how many. I think there's, I believe there's 100 memories that can be put in there, and which allows you to, you can actually access the memories to the radio from right here on the DMU, which is a real nice feature. By changing, going with this display, which is key 8 on the radio, you can change things, you can restore, load, save, etc. Kind of neat. You can also use if you can put a keyboard in. You can also use a USB 1 type mouse and plug in the back of the unit, and you can use a mouse as well. So makes it for pretty user friendly stuff. But basically, all you need is a monitor and a radio, and you're good to go. That pretty much shows us everything that you need to know about this thing. It works really good, and I could see no issues with it. Right here on the front, it does have an SD card, so that's how it stores its memory. So if you put something into the DMU, it will store it right here, and then next time when you go back, it will recall it for you. Anyway, thank you for watching. There's a link below that has the link to our online store, CB and Ham Radio Depot. Come see us. We've got a lot of equipment, and it changes daily, and we would be glad to have you. Thank you.